what I want to do now with you is answer those questions, because I believe if we answer those questions, we would be able to design better workshop in less time. So according to me, there are four key components for a great workshop. The first one is that you need the right framework, so the right process that you're going to do, so that you're making sure that you can design a good flow, a flow that makes sense, a flow that will lead to the results. Then you need the right activities to getting there. You need the workshop principle. The workshop principle is what I call also like the collaboration guidelines, the rules of the game. So those are the things that you're gonna ask people to do to maximize the outcome of the session. Those could be like, we're going to do some silent work sometimes, like together alone, writing information on sticky notes, not talking. This is an example of a workshop principles. And of course, they depend on the context of the situation. And last one, like if you do already those three components, you will have great results. But if you can package this into a great workshop experience, like this is where the magic comes in. You can create an experience that people will remember, and big chances that they will come back to you if you do that properly. So if I want to come back to the four questions I told you I'm going to answer, I believe if we focus on the framework, we should cover two of the first question. So I don't know where to start when I design a workshop, and I don't know if my workflow makes sense. And if we focus on the activities, we can answer on, I don't know which activity to use, and I don't know if they will actually work. So do we agree that if we focus on those two things, we will answer the question of the day? Hey, thank you guys.